The trade is ready. Where is my music? Ooh. The trade is ready. We are in a consolidation. Now we have this push down, which acts like a desired, and then I need a pullback here. I need a pullback. I'm not gonna sell into this low. So around here at 750. It needs to hold below 750. Below 750. How is my mic? So we are interested in selling. The target is these two lows. We'll see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Could fail. Everything is possible. Let's see the pullback. If it's coming back up very hard, then our sell is no longer valid. My stop would be at 750 because above 750 we are already in the so this is gonna be like this. This would be my stop. Yes, but we want to push up, so I can put my stop quite okay. So this is gonna be a red one. And take profit is gonna be around here, like 500 or like a round number. We'll see how it's gonna perform. Or even lower, around 450 to take that low. But if it's going for a buy, I would want a buy. If they buy it, I would want to buy it around here, above 800. Nothing below 800 to buy it, because below 800 we are in a sell, and above 800 we are in a buy. So I think my stop would be better above 800. So if I get a price around 750, that would be, but I don't want 750 because the moving average on 15 minutes is at 730. So I might put limit order. Also have some news, some Trump speak. Let's see, what news do we have? Yeah, Trump speaks at 5:15. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Is that a reversal speech? Oh, FOMC is at 7. 19. That means in 2 hours FOMC. It could still go into a range, this cell. This cell could still go into a range. I mean, to take out, like, to go to the 500. This aim to go into the range. I'm gonna still put a limit there. Limit sell. With the stop, I think the stop is gonna be 800 before, like this. I'm gonna risk 100 points to make 200. 200, yes. I'm gonna risk 100 points to make 200. Still not a valid sell. Still going higher. I'm gonna risk around 1k. 1.4k to make 3,000. I would like to risk 3,000 or 2,000. Come on, buyers. the sellers needs to step out. Depends if the buyer is gonna come or not. But I'm not selling down below. I need to sell into a buyer, because it's gonna be a small range here, because everyone thinks, oh, it's a buy, and now is at the level where the sellers hit it. Those sellers, me, I hit that sell before the market open, so many people hit the sell there. They're gonna get out. There's gonna be some buying pressure. If it goes, goes. But I need at least 730 price, so I can minimize my risk or something. Might get 750 even, because now the move is ending and it's gonna attract buyers. That's why they created this move up, so everybody is gonna think it's a buy, so they can load even more. If the sell happened before the market open, nobody would be trapped. And also they wanted to load higher because they are afraid of that 500 level, so it's easier to load here and go to 500 than sell at the market. And also it's more volatility here to get into the move. More size, they can put more size into the sell. And that's why they let the price go up. So if you think it's gonna go from here, patience, because the risk reward is not very good if you sell it here, and you are also at the support. For many people think it's a support there. $650. We'll see the test, how it's gonna go. This is called money spot, where buyers think it's a buy and seller thinks it's a sell. And the overall direction is a sell. So I'm going for the sellers, the big boys. the big players which want to buy to sell. If they lose, I lose, but always go with the big trend, with the big money. That's why when market reverses, it's a very confusing state. That's where you can make more money, the most money, when people are confused. Come on, give a test. Hope doesn't come like very hard. If it comes hard up, we don't want to be in this cell. It needs to come easy peasy. That's why the best entry is in a range when the market is less volatile. If you bought that buy there and you are have like your stop loss below and you are like hoping that it's gonna go up, keep hoping. Keep hoping. We're still in a valid sell. So go with the immediate trend. Don't hope for reversals. Go where the money goes. Even if it's a short term, go for the flow of the money. We don't get a pullback. Come on. Here we go, the sellers. Lifted up the gas, and now the buyers is gonna step in, and we'll see how they go. How they gonna react from here. Because the buyers won't come if it needs to go immediately for the sell. Otherwise, it's gonna reverse or continue for the buy. Come on, buyers, come on. This slowdown gives confidence to the buyers to step in. So don't sell it yet. Trust that you will have your price. That's why they put it this way. That's why they created that push up. They might even bought it themselves to create that push up. Okay, we have some buyer. We want it to come easy peasy, like in a struggling way. $730 resistance. We have the moving average on 15. We have the 5-minute moving average at 744, which is a direction. So even in EMA tells you we are going for a sell. And the 1 hour is exactly there at 700. So if we get into the 7:30 and it's going down, even the 1 hour is going to be invalidated into a sell. It's going up slowly. That's a good sign. But it could also mean that more buyers going to be more confident to buy it. The question is, will the buyers go to 800 and after that to sell? Because that might happen as well. We have the Nvidia news, Fed meeting. We also have the Trump speech. So a range around here could be possible until 800. And then at around 12:15 to go down. Here you go, it's trying. 7:30 is the moving average. Okay, this is a different buy than the one that was at the market open. And also it's at 12 o'clock, which is kind of lower volatility, so they can sell it easily. 7:15, only that price? Come on, give us a good price. Give us a 720. That's good. This struggle is good. That means we are struggling. So buyers are struggling to go up. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Come on, fill me. Don't fill me too hard. Okay. Whoever is buying, this pullback might be their opportunity to buy more. So don't sell on it. Come on, sellers. Yeah. 7. So actually that 710, they entered the 710. Come on, buyers, buy this pullback. Yeah, I guess I was saying if it's a sell, then it's gonna go directly down. But even if it's gonna take out the low now, it won't go. because they need to attract more buyers. This is not a pullback, this is just a continuation for the seller. Damn, I didn't got filled. Didn't got filled. So actually the entry was at 720. Let's see a pullback from this. Will that range hold? 775. Yeah, that's what happens. It needs to be, that's what you want, like an immediate sell if there is no buyers. This is Nasdaq for you. You miss. But we'll have still a pullback, because the pullback is considered when it takes those highs. But I don't want it to come so far, like so high. But eventually it's gonna come so high. The real pullback is gonna be around the 800. This is just the end of the, I call it V formation, or the end of the buyers. And after that is gonna come the test. It's gonna be a range. We'll see how the test is gonna come. Yeah, I missed out on that sell. My entry was a couple points higher. But it was a short-lived sell, because there are still buyers there. That's memory. The pullback needs still to come to 75, and then the sell might happen. But if the sell is gonna happen at Fed minutes, might be a buy. If they take it to lower, they won't get a test. The test will come just at around 600 or 650, just like around right now. And the target is that 550 for the sellers. But if they sell it now, they won't have buyers, so they might step down the gas. Tough decision to sell it here. It doesn't have much room on the upside. Has moving averages. I might sell it at 650. But if it goes above 650, we have a probe here, and it's gonna attract buyers. Trump's peak might be a push up. Yeah, annoying that I didn't get that entry. Maybe it's for the best. So this is how you judge it. If you miss it, you miss it. We'll keep updating. Thank you for the view.